Xiaomi applied for a couple of intriguing trademarks. Xiaomi Automobile, Gigafactory, and Xiaomi EV Hyperfactory were registered by the company, suggesting the next step in its plans on its EV journey. Beyond the factory name, which suggests high production rate, you can also get some material and product related trademarks. You have the Xiaomi Titan and Xiaomi Titan Alloy, clearly pointing towards Xiaomi's own alloy. You also have the Xiaomi Super Motor as well. This does not need any explanation. Trademark status is awaiting review at the China National Intellectual Property Administration Trademark Office, leaving people to wonder what is Xiaomi's grand plan for its EV space. Having already launched its first EV model SU7, the company is focusing on boosting its manufacturing capabilities so it can actually get into people's driveway, and the Hyperfactory seems to be a good way to do it. It's very interesting to see the trademarks what Xiaomi is doing, and let's see when Apple launches how that's when the EV market will really take off. Apple has been in testing of the EV product for over a decade. Till now they have failed. It's strange to see Huawei, Xiaomi and all launching first before Apple, but then as you know, Apple will make a solid comeback and claim the market.